Hello dear students, how are you? Okay, today we are going to study arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean is a part of arithmetic sequence. You have already taught arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence and series, no? This is the part of arithmetic sequence and arithmetic mean. This topic we are going to discuss, okay? And in the short form, the arithmetic mean is A for arithmetic and M for mean. Mean. Yes. Look here. There are two types of mean. Not two types, but it has two parts. One is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, okay, and the short form is AM, and the other is arithmetic means. Arithmetic means, its short form is also AM. This is mean, means singular. This is mean, means singular, and this is means plural. Mean singular, means plural. First of all, talk about this mean. This mean is calculating between three terms. This mean is calculating between three terms. If A, M and B are in arithmetic progression, but we are studying arithmetic progression, no? If A for first term, M for second term, and B for third term, or you can say last term, because there are only three terms. How many terms? Three terms. First is A, which is first term. Second is M, which is second term, and third one is B, which is known as last term in arithmetic progression. Right? If there are three terms only, then M is called arithmetic mean. This M means middle value is arithmetic mean. Middle value is arithmetic mean. And the formula of arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Here, arithmetic mean equal to we should write, okay? Arithmetic mean equal to A plus B upon 2, and arithmetic mean is denoted by M also. Arithmetic mean is denoted by M also. How it become? How this become? How this formula become? Let's see here. These three terms are in arithmetic progression. These terms are in arithmetic progression, and if they are in arithmetic progression, their common difference are equal. Here, common difference means T2 minus T1. It is the formula of common difference, or T3 minus T2 also. This is also succeeding term minus preceding term. This is also succeeding term minus preceding term. By using this formula also you can find common difference, and by using this formula also you can find common difference. Means difference equal to difference. Can we write? Yes. Now you see, this is T1, this is T2, and this one is T3. And what is the value of T2? M minus A, T3 is B minus m, b minus m, b minus m. Yes, t3 is b, t2 is m. Now simplify. M transpose m equal to, if A transpose that side, this is A and plus B. Is it right? Now look here, m plus m is 2m. 2m equal to A plus B, and therefore m equal to A plus B by 2. This is the formula of arithmetic progression. This is the formula of arithmetic progression, and this is formula of arithmetic mean, not progression. Arithmetic mean, and arithmetic mean is denoted by m. Therefore, m equal to A plus B by 2. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. This was arithmetic mean. Means that if it is arithmetic mean, we have to take any 3 terms. We have to take any 3 number. You can take any 3 number. Only 3 terms. This can be calculated among only 3 number. But talk about arithmetic means. But now talk about arithmetic means. Means here is only one arithmetic mean, but here are more than one arithmetic means. More than one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 12. Any number of mean it can be. Here is possible. If listen, if A, m1, m2, m3, mn and B are in arithmetic progression. Suppose this is the sequence which is in arithmetic progression. This is the sequence which is in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, after A, there is A is known as T1, second is T2, means T2 is M1, T2 means second term, T2 means second term, A4 first term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is last term, Tn minus 1 is last term. Before last term, one term before last term, and this is Tn for last term. Understand? Second term is first mean. Fourth term is third mean. Means how many term? If you take one less term, that become number of mean. If fourth term 4 minus 1 is 3, third mean. Second term 2 minus 1, 1 is first mean. Like this way you have to see. Because term is started from A, mean is started from second term. Mean is started from second term. That's all. Now, if they are in arithmetic progression, common difference are equal also here. Then and let number of mean be n. Number of mean means these all are number of mean. These all are number of mean. Number of mean means all the numbers which are except first term and last term. Which are except first term and last term. Means first term is not counting, last term is also not counting. And what are the rest number of terms between first term and last term? They all are called number of mean. All number are counted for the n. Suppose n is number of term is not number of mean. Suppose n is number of mean. Generally n for number of term, but here n for number of mean. Then total number of term. Total number of term equal to n plus 1 is here and other is here. How many terms are remain? 2. One is A and other is B. Means 2 terms. When you add 2 on the number of mean, that become number of term. That become number of term. It means how many values are different between number of term and number of mean. Number of mean is 2 less than number of term. Number of term is 2 more than number of mean. 2 more than means which number? First term and last. Clear up to here? Clear up to here? Now we know that general term equal to a plus n minus 1 into. Everybody know this formula? Yes. And general term means last term I am taking as a general term. What is the value of last term? Equal to a plus. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? Then n plus 2 is place of n and minus 1 into d. It becomes b equal to a plus n plus 1 into d. Clear? Clear? How it become? Attention here everybody. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. And into d. Now you see here. B, look here, left side is B minus A equal to n plus 1 into D. Therefore, B minus A upon, if you transpose this term to the right side, it becomes n plus 1 equal to D and D equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. This is the formula of common difference also. This is the formula of common difference also, which is derived from arithmetic means. Which is derived from arithmetic means. Here, n for what? N for number of mean. N for I have supposed here, no. N for what? Number of mean, not number of term. If number of term is here, if n for number of term, its formula become, if number of term it is, then its formula become b minus a upon n minus 1. If here is minus, this is number of term. If plus is here, this means it is number of mean. If here is minus, then what is n? And if plus, then what is n? Always remember. Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes. Same. Listen to me carefully. Listen here. I have already told you, first term means A. First term means A. And second term means first mean M1. Second term means M1. Third term means M2. You see M1, M2. One less. And what is the formula of third term? Tell me. You know. What is the formula of third term? T3. A plus 2D. And we know that T3 is equal to M2. T3 is equal to M2. If T3 third term equal to A plus 2D, then M2 also equal to also A plus 2D. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Same way, if you have to find T10, then what is the formula of T10? A plus 90. And this is equal to M 9. M. Then tell me, what is the formula of M11? A plus 11D. A plus. It means if you are finding number of term, one less than here. But if you are finding number of mean, no less. What value is here? Same value you have to write here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you for watching these videos.
Yes, sir.